with. We'll go to Levi and Cody. Here's the Wilson boys from the Annual Trail Runners. You need to watch these two cowboys, and I promise they have done this before. They've done it for money, and they've been there when the times were tough, and they had to do it for a living, and not they get to do it for fun. Levi Wilson, Cody Wilson, the Annual Trail Runners, boys. We've got about 8 qualified times so far. So this is what you got to do to guarantee you that spot. We have 2 more nights left of evening performances, 2 more nights of wild cowboy. So I would suggest that you try to be that fast time if you can get in those 30s. If you can get in those 30s, you'll probably be doing pretty good.
Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from? Sit down and forgot not Joe. I've been married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from? Not Joe.
I tell you what, those boys must have drawn the worst cavalcade. Watch her, she will come to you. All you have to do is get a hold of it. Now, what are you waiting on? He's got a hold over her cavalcaders. Help him. He needs a backing. He needs a backing. He's got run over 3 different times. Now we're getting kicked. Don't let, there you go, now you got it. You stick those horns in the ground. Don't let her go, she'll come back to you. All right. Ooh, what's your fence? Did you get it? Is she still kicking you? Oh, hang on. There you go. Cavalcaders, I think we got the rope off. Everything looks good on 105 and 39, boys. I know we had some tough luck. I love the thumbs up, boys. Cavalcaders, help the Cowboys. I'm going to tell you what now. One hard, one drew, one picking it up is awesome. That is awesome.